panels going on today. Just gonna get some more paint because I ran out, so we can paint that piece up there, and then yeah. Alright, we made it back. We got the paint and we got some gas because we needed some gas. These things were doing pretty good. The only thing is this one, I couldn't go full throttle on it for some reason. It started bogging out on me. Whoa. Okay, well, we went to AutoZone, got the paint that we needed, but I forgot to buy the screws, so we might go back to do that. But first I want to go ahead and put some paint on that thing, so we can let it sit and dry. Okay, so I decided that I'm just gonna leave the wiring as it is right now. I was gonna rewrap it, but I'm gonna leave it until I buy a bunch of new connectors so I can replace all of these with some like better like waterproof ones. But for now I'm just gonna go ahead and wire up the front brake and the speed sensor here. Well, it's not really a speed sensor, but it's like a speed I don't know what you call it, the speedometer thing, I guess. It's just this thing here. It's like square shaped. I don't know if you can see, but it's a square shape, and it goes in here. This thing spins. It spins this whole bar, which then spins something in here, and that something tells me how fast I'm going. Just gotta feed it through. I can't remember which end goes where. I'm gonna guess this end goes like this. Okay, so yeah, this thing goes through here. Actually, these things go through here first. There's that one. And there's that one. Alright. Feed that through this one. And then if you want to test it out real quick, it's weird I was spinning it the wrong way, but here so you guys can see. And that one goes right into this one here. There we go, and then we gotta put the brake on, which then that goes in here.
Damn, now it doesn't want to work.
So that goes in there, and then this thing goes through this, I think. No, that doesn't look right. Oh, I remember. It goes like that. So this has to come out. This goes in there. We put the little dust thing back on. There we go. And then now this piece goes in here with this in between. So this thing goes in first, like that. No, this thing goes in like this. Here. That piece goes in there. This piece goes in there. This piece goes right here. It's gonna tighten it a little bit more. Let me see.
Oh, you're trying to get the best thing?
I think that's good. Oh shit, I forgot to put it through here. Shit, now this thing came out. There we go.
Yeah,
Well, I couldn't bring myself to put the wiring back in how it was, so I just rewrapped it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up these last little bits here, like this one and then all the little splits and stuff, and then put this thing back on, and then I'm gonna go ahead and run it through the bike and then put the carburetor on. Cool, so I got the whole harness wrapped up. I'm gonna do this little piece that I fucking forgot. God damn it. I'll do that later. But anyways, I got this thing wrapped up all the way through. Got all the ends wrapped up. I'm gonna do this one at the end because I'm gonna figure out how it goes. And then I rewired a new little plug for my blinkers. It should be good to go. Now I'm just gonna route it on through the frame and then start putting the carburetor on, so I can put the brake cable on too. I mean the throttle cable and the brake cable too. Put this piece on. Just gotta bolt it on here. I think I'm gonna try and heat this up and push it in a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't crack. Alright, so I didn't run the wiring down yet because I figured I would put on the battery holder first. I'm gonna do that. Oh shit, I forgot to tighten this thing up. Now I have white, yellow, and red, black. White, yellow, red, black. Here we go. Yellow and red, black. And then we have this yellow one goes to, where the fuck does this yellow one go to? And this green one. What the fuck? This one goes to here. And these get bunched up into... Actually, I'm gonna leave that there for now. Okay, so next I'm gonna put on the shit that goes over here, I think. If I can even figure it out.